Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Chainlink Daily. We've got a lot of good news today. Today is a very green day, and actually look at the past few hours. Okay, look at this huge candle, 1 hour candle of 5.3%. Okay, it already reached 30.5, which we'll talk about that in a second. Of course, new all-time highs. We're going to be talking about what is the chart showing us currently. We'll be talking about this important article right here. Chainlink's network activity has grown by 10x 2 years in a row. Guys, this is very, very important. Okay, institutions are starting to notice the importance of Chainlink in the whole DeFi space. Okay, and I mean, we're going to read this, so don't worry. We're also going to be talking about the public account to see what happened. And I am waiting for another transfer, by the way, to come into the account so then we can buy more. I will be buying more Chainlink, Uniswap, Exa, and a few others. So make sure to stay subscribed if you want to understand what I'm doing, what I'm buying, when. But again, guys, again, very important. Do not do what I'm doing just because I'm doing it. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Yep, you heard it 1,000 times, but it's very important for you guys to understand. So, I mean, also look at the market cap. We're very close to $1.5 trillion on the whole market cap of cryptocurrencies. This is just incredible. Okay, so let's go over a bit what's going on today. We've got Bitcoin at 47.5. It will reach 50K in my opinion next week. Okay, that is my opinion. Ethereum as well needs to hit the 2,000 mark. It does have an important resistance at 1,850. In my opinion, it will break it, okay, and reach $2,000. We've got Cardano, that's just a beast recently. Polkadot has, okay, I mean, everything has an incredible last 7 days. But Chainlink, it's starting to wake up. Okay, Chainlink is starting to wake up. We've talked about the fact that it touched 30.5 and it's starting to create, in my opinion, very interesting moves. And I think it's just because, you know, institutions and people are starting to understand how much effect Chainlink has on the whole DeFi space. And just incredible, guys. Okay, incredible. And for anyone who wants to understand again regarding the charts, just stay tuned. Let's first start with the article. So, Chainlink's network activity has grown by 10x 2 years in a row. Crypto analyst Timothy Peterson has highlighted that Chainlink's network activity has grown by a factor of 10 for over 2 years in a row. 414 crypto projects use Chainlink technology in one form or another, up from 315 last November. Okay, remember these numbers because we're gonna do another video like in another 3 months, okay, and see how much it grew as well. The value of Link has benefited from the increased network activity, okay? And in my opinion, as I've said in the previous video, it will continue to rise. We are just seeing the start of another huge parabolic move, and I'm staying with my predictions regarding Chainlink. I'm very, very bullish. Crypto analyst Timothy Ferris of Kenny Island Alternative Advisor has pointed out that the Chainlink network has grown by a factor of 10 for 2 years in a row. Additionally, the growth of the Chainlink network has been fairly consistent during this time period. Okay, so you can see a very nice graph. Over 400 crypto projects use Chainlink technology. Very important, guys, very important. Expanding on Mr. Peterson's observation, a total of 414 blockchain-related projects use Chainlink technology in one form or the other. This is according to data from chainlinkecosystem.com, as highlighted in the screenshot below. So what you need to understand, by the way, is that blockchain-related projects are still relatively new in the universe standpoint, okay? We're just in the beginning. So if you currently see a total of X amount of blockchain-related projects, in 3-5 years from now, 10 years from now, we're going to see it 100x, 1,000x the amount of projects there are. Okay, it's going to be much more easier to create dApps and DeFi applications and anything that has to do with the blockchain, basically. It's going to be much easier because a lot more projects, just like Chainlink, will allow it to become much easier. Okay, so that's why I think that this is just going to grow, especially because Chainlink has, we've talked about it, its founder, Sergey Nazarov, which is doing tremendous job behind the scenes with Chainlink and the community, and the fundamentals are there. This is according to data from Chainlink. We talked about that, sorry. So these are just a few of the projects. Kraken, which is an exchange that I use as well. Some of my private accounts are on Kraken, and they're very good. You can buy Cardano and Polkadot there, which you can't currently buy on Coinbase, which is kind of annoying. But we've got Yield, Singularity, the AOB5. We've got a lot of cool things and much, much more. Link's price continues to benefit from increased network activity. And the more network activity there will be on Chainlink, the higher Link's price will be. Okay? Supply and demand. The more demand there is for something and the less supply, the higher the price. And the opposite. To note is that 315 projects had integrated Chainlink technology by early November 2020. With the current 414, this translates to a 31.4% increment in the number of blockchain projects using Chainlink in a span of roughly 3.5 months. Amazing, guys, amazing. During the same time period, Chainlink's price almost tripled in value from approximately $10 in early November to its current value of $28. By the way, let me know in the comments if any of you were able to purchase Chainlink at around $10, okay, if you were that early. Let me know in the comments. So let's finish up with this paragraph. Furthermore, there is an aspect of traders and investors of Link, also known as Link Marines, who are particularly bullish about the future value of the token. Therefore, Chainlink could very well be on an upward path towards $100 or more in the long term. And I think $100 is not that far away. Okay, it's only a 3.3x from our current price. Of course, a day ago it was $25. Okay, so it's growing very rapidly. But again, I don't think $100 is that incredible and amazing. As I've said in the previous video, I think we're talking about a $250-300 billion market cap. That's a 30x from here in the next 3 to 5 years. So if they're talking about in the long term $100, I think that's a very conservative. Very, very conservative, especially once you understand exactly how Chainlink works. So that's regarding the others. That's very, very important news, okay? It gives me a lot of confidence, again, as a very bullish investor in Links. Again, this is just a very small amount. I do have a lot more in my private accounts. So seeing such an article and seeing the activity increasing year over year is very, very important. Now, let's talk a little bit about the price. So we can see this is the hourly chart, and this blue line right here is the 20-day moving average. We can see that every time there's a certain spike, it tends to come back to its 20-day moving average. Okay, they shorten the gap, and we're currently on a very nice uptrend with this. Okay, incredible candle. And I'm gonna say, in my opinion, what is that candle and what's gonna happen in the next few days and weeks. This is a very, very nice uptrend, and as the saying goes, in a bull run, be a bull. It's an amazing bull run currently for all the altcoins and for the whole cryptocurrency market. But again, I do think that Chainlink is one of those altcoins that are highly undervalued currently. As we've said, we did hit 30.5. And what I think will happen in the next few days and weeks, we go on the 4-hour chart, I do see the 20-day moving average continuing to create something like this, okay, act as support to the growth, and I do see the price continuing to rise, and it might do stuff like this, okay, higher lows, higher highs, closing the gap towards the 20-day moving average, reaching eventually, again, it's not going to happen this fast, guys, okay, it's not going to reach $42 in a matter of 2 weeks. However, I don't see us stopping at 30.5. We're going to have, on the way up, healthy small corrections of a few percentage, in my opinion. But at the end of the day, things are looking very, very bullish, and we will break this 30.5 again. We're currently having a small, very small correction. Let's go on a 15-minute chart. At 29.8, things are looking bullish, and in my opinion, it's going to continue to do TikTok dancing. Again, not this fast to 40, but you understood my point. Okay, higher lows and higher highs, continuing the uptrend. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. It's a new channel, so So if you're liking the video and you're subscribing and you're commenting, it really helps the engagement. If you haven't seen the previous video that I've uploaded, you can go to the channel and watch it, of course. It's called Chainlink Code 100x from here. I'm doing this, and it's the only video except for this one that I'm making. And as you can see, very new channel, very small one. So if you're interested in more information regarding Chainlink, of course, make sure to subscribe. And in every video in the description, you'll find this link right here. And once you click this link, you'll have other options to either follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. You'll have other channels that I'm uploading videos, such as Crypto Daily Podcast, XLM Stellar, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, and of course, Chainlink, which is us. So make sure to check that out and subscribe to any other channel that you're interested in. And you can follow me, as I've said, on Instagram and on Twitter. We're doing very nice giveaways. Tomorrow we're having our second giveaway on XLM and Cardano, giving away 500 XLMs and 500 Cardano, so you can check that out on Instagram. And again, let me know in the comments, when were you able to purchase Chainlink for the first time? My name is Nate. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.